Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my haul from the Sephora savings event. Everything I talk about will be linked in the description below. Today is the first day that the event has opened up to all the tiers. I already posted my recommendations and what was on my wish list as a Sephora Rouge VIB member. So I will link in the description where to sign up because you do have to be a member in order to shop this event. And also a huge thank you to Sephora for sponsoring this video. I'm always so excited to partner with them every single year. They also announced 2 recent gifts, and they actually still have another gift available if you're Rouge. If you use the code SUNNIES, you get a pair of Diff sunglasses. That's for Rouge only, but today they just announced a second gift. If you use the code POUCHGIFT, you get a Sephora branded like dual-sided zip tech pouch. So I just placed another order. I will share all that with you, but I will include links to those gifts in the description below. And let's just get started. And I'll start first with what is still on the way. I wanted to get this video up for you, but let's start with the skincare. Actually, I do have one that I can show you now. The Caudalie Vino Perfect set. I always get the Vino Perfect serum, the full size, and then for the savings event, they usually release a set where you can get the full size serum in addition to 2 different travel sizes. For the same price as the full size. So I got this set. This retails for $82, but it's a value of $122 plus with the code spring sale, I got 20% off as a Rouge member. And then I went ahead because I plan on using this for my upcoming very lengthy, I have a 6-week long summer trip coming up. So I want to bring this during my trip. And I went ahead and got the jumbo like XL version. This is a 30 ml full size, but I got the larger 50 ml size. I'm just going to go down the list of what is still on the way. So from the Sephora favorites collection, this is the Sephora body care must-have set. They have a few different sets, and I actually did pick up this one, which I think is sold out already. This is the Sephora favorites mini must-have. So this one is only $22, and then you get 3 travel sizes of the Edam lip balm. You get the Salt and Stone fragrance and then a travel size Merit serum. I really love this serum, and I love the lip balm. So I love that there is a tiny little travel size version. I actually, if they still have it in store, I might pick up another one. There's another travel set with a pouch, but I already own the Patrick Ta blush in that, but that's also a good set to get. Most of the items that I have here were in-store pickup, so that's why I already have them. The others are still on the way to me. But I got the Sephora Favorites Body Care Must-Haves set because I like every single item on this list. It just has such a great assortment of body care products. I am really interested in trying out the Luna Daily, the Everywhere Spray. They also have the Necessaire Body Wash, the Josie Maran Body Butter. This is what the body butter looks like. I think it's a different scent. Yeah, the favorite scent comes with the Topless Tangerine. The Soft Services Buffing Bar, the Cyclar Body Wash, which is very popular right now. I have a lot of trips coming up this summer, this spring, so I really wanted like a body care set. Also ordered the Edam lip balm, the new one in the Sakura Shaved Ice. This one is the shade Chateau Rose. I showed this in my recommendations video. Similar to the Kosas Lip Pulse, this one is a plumping serum in the shade Aura Flare, but if you don't like the plumping sensation, I recommend the Edam. From Hung Van Go Beauty, the Glossy Lip Hue Hydrating Lip Shine with Hyaluronic Acid in the shade Nothing to Lose. And now I'm regretting, I should have gotten like the one that's more of a berry color, but we'll see how the formula is. And also from Pat McGrath Labs, I got one of her Lip Sculpt and Shade Lipstick and Lip Liner Contour Duo in the shade Divine Rose. This was the one that I tried on at the Sephora event last month, and I really liked the colors, and I like having a lip liner and lipstick duo. From Prada, their new blush, I just had to try their new blush. The Prada Touch Cream to Powder Soft Blur Longwear Blush. I ordered this one in the shade P75 Tulip. The Makeup Forever Artist Matte Powder Highlighter. I see this all over TikTok. A lot of people apply it like the inner corner. It's a matte highlighter, so it brightens your face, but it's not shimmery or glittery. And I'm just curious how it will look on my skin tone. Touchland Power Mist Hydrating Hand Sanitizer in the scent Beach Cocoa. I might pick up a couple more because, again, we're traveling and I like to have this in each of my kids' bags. I have 3 boys, so they each have to have their own like little hygiene toiletry kit in their backpack. Huda Beauty Mini Blush Mocktail Duo. It has 2 of these. So this is the little mini blush in the shade Black Cherry. This duo is available in 2 colors, like the deeper color, which is, I feel like it's this one, and then like a fuchsia. And then I ordered it in the lighter color, which actually has the travel size of this, the ube cream, and then another, like I think strawberry something. I think that's it. And then I got the Diff sunglasses promo. Okay, so that's everything that is still on the way to me. Oh, and then I wasn't able to order this the first day of the event, but I saw that this just came back in stock. It's the Innisfree Vitamin C Niacinamide Brightening Eye Serum for Dark Circles. I mentioned in my recommendations video that I love the Innisfree Green Tea Caffeine Eye Roller Serum. I really like the roller ball at the top, where the cream just pops up there. Let's apply some. I have makeup on, but that's okay. I love to apply this under my eyes. I just find that eye creams are so much easier to apply when it's a rollerball applicator. So they came out with a vitamin C version for dark circles. So very excited for that to arrive. And I also got the tech pouch. Another skincare set I just got is from Glow Recipe. This is the Glow Recipe and Beauty Blender Watermelon Glow Best Sellers. So this comes with the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewy Flush. So this is the tinted serum. You have the original dewdrops, and then this is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I love, again, that these are travel sizes. And then it comes with this really cute little watermelon sponge applicator. Very cute little set. This is also a great little gift set. Because I love the water bomb so much, I got this from Hani. This is called the Fatty Acid Moisture Stick. A solid, chunky stick. But that's the... Okay, I'll show you. You can't see it, invisible, but okay, fragrance free. And it just like moisturizes your skin. So again, I love finding things in solid form, if possible, because when I travel, I have a lot of restrictions with liquids and, you know, whatever. It's just easier when things are solid. It's not messy, it doesn't leak. Very excited to bring this with me on my trips. I got another eye cream from Ole Henriksen. Even though I usually prefer the eye rollers for like travel and in my bags, at home I do like the pot. This is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. And then a few things from Sephora collection, because everything from Sephora collection is 30% off regardless of your tier if you use the code Spring Sale. So I got this new set that they just came out with. You can see that travel is on my mind. So I got the Sephora Travel Bottle Kit. It has 4 travel containers and this little pouch, and the containers are adjustable in size. So you can put your liquids, lotion, shampoo, conditioner, whatever. You also have a spray bottle, and then you have this like stackable little container so you can put creams, lipsticks, cream blush, whatever cream products you want in there. I believe this set is only $15 just already on its own. So during the event, you get 30% off. Also got the Sephora Scalp Massager Brush. I always use a scalp massager in my shower, like when I apply shampoo. And so I wanted to keep one just as a designated travel scalp massager, so I can always have one on hand when I'm traveling. But look how spiky these are, but it's gentle. It's like silicone, so it feels really nice and soothing. Wow, this is really relaxing. Sometimes I have a scalp massager and I just kind of massage my scalp when I'm watching TV at home. But it's supposed to stimulate your scalp and it helps with hair growth. So I plan on keeping this in my travel bag for my trips. Also from Sephora collection, I had to try this. This is the Gloss Bomb. I feel like Summer Fridays with their Lip Butter Balm, like a lot of brands have their own versions now, and so Sephora collection has this Gloss Bomb, and this is in the shade Caramel Suede. I wanted to get the espresso, or I don't know, whatever shade, but it was sold out, so you can see what that looks like. Okay, nice little nude brownie color. And oh, it smells like caramel. Nice. Okay. I think when the darker color comes back in stock, I will snatch that one up. I got the Huda Beauty Blush Filter Palette. I already own this in the like baby pinks color. This is the new Strawberry Latte, a brownish red, different packaging. But those are the colors. Very pretty. You have like a highlighter shade. I like to blend all 4 of these when I wear these palettes. And then I just got a restock of the Rare Beauty Brow Gel. This is my favorite brow gel. Looks like this, but I'm going to wait to open this until this one runs out. More lip products from Laneige. I could not resist getting this set. This is the Laneige Donut Delight Lip Serum Duo. So you get 2 shades, cinnamon sugar and strawberry sprinkles. And then you get this adorable little donut charm. 2 full-size lip serums. Oh my god, this is so cute. Little donut charm. That is what the little donut keychain and bag charm looks like. And then Fenty Beauty very generously sent me some of their products. These are exclusive sets to Sephora. This is the Extra Fussy Lip Liner and Mini Lip Luminizer Duo. You get the long wear waterproof pencil lip liner in the shade Extra Thigh. Then the Mini Gloss Bomb Lip Luminizer in Fussy, which is a very pretty pink shade, and then it also comes with a pencil sharpener. The Brown Pout Lip Liner and Mini Lip Plumper Duo, which comes with the traced out longwear waterproof pencil lip liner in Browned Out, and then the Gloss Bomb Heat Universal Lip Luminizer and Plumper in Rose Amber. And again, you get the pencil sharpener. And both of these sets are exclusive to Sephora. And then moving on to hair, from Fenty Hair, I got this set. This is the Maintenance Crew Universal Starter Kit. That comes with travel sizes of the rich one. This is a Hydrate and Replenish shampoo. The richer one is a deep conditioner. The Comeback Kid, this is an instant repair treatment. And then the Protective Type, I love the names of all of our products. Protective Type is a 5-in-1 leave-in heat protectant. And then also from Fenty Hair, I was so excited to try this. They came out with a dry shampoo, and I don't have a great relationship with a lot of dry shampoos. I have black hair and I feel like a lot of them leave a white cast. This one does not leave a white cast on black hair. This is the Fenty Hair The Imposter Invisiboost Volumizing Dry Shampoo. So not only does it not leave a white cast, it absorbs all the oil, and then if you look at the before and after pictures, the hair is so voluminous and fluffy, especially at the roots. So I'm excited to try this. 3 fragrances. This one is an impulse purchase. I actually sniffed this in store when I went to pick up my order. This is from Sol de Janeiro, the new Refresco Paraíso. This has notes of rainforest orchid, sea breeze, and Brazilian blue cactus. So a lot of Sol de Janeiro fragrance, I mean, there's a bunch of different ones. The original like gold one is caramel notes, like vanilla gourmand. They have some floral ones. I love this one. This is such a clean scent. I'm gonna wear this today. It's like so refreshing and oceanic and aquatic. Oh my gosh, I love this one. I just can't wait to go to a tropical island when I wear this. So, and because this is a fragrance mist, it's pretty affordable. I think it was like 20 or 30 something, plus my 20% off. So got this set from Kayali. This is the Eden Obsessions mini set, and it comes with this little pouch. The zipper pull has the same top as their fragrances. And I love the Kayali minis because even though they're smaller travel sizes, it's still a spray bottle. Get the new Eden Sweet Peach and Plush Pear, and then I already have Juicy Apple and Sparkling Lychee. What the bottle looks like. Perfect for travel. And then you also have a convenient little travel bag. And finally, I got the newest fragrance from Love Shack Fancy. This is their new fragrance, Sweetheart. This has notes of pink raspberry, pink currant accord, and peach musk. And let's go ahead and open this. I am such a sucker for the Love Shack Fancy packaging for their fragrances. They also just came out with body mists, so they're a lot more affordable than the fragrance. But here it is. Very cute. You have the bow all the way around, and then the bow topper is a sparkle. Okay. Very fruity. Very nice fruity berry scent from Love Shack Fancy. All right, guys, that is everything that I got from the Sephora savings event. I believe I am done shopping this event. I think I have everything covered, but if there is anything new, actually today they just dropped the new Dolce & Gabbana cosmetics. So I'll check that out. But if they drop anything new or any other new promos or gifts, I will definitely let you guys know. So make sure you follow me here on YouTube and also on my Instagram at Heated Mess. And I will keep you guys updated. But let me know what you plan on shopping from the Sephora savings event. If you plan on restocking or buying anything new. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.